yakho kwachitheka kwendlela ulalokishi lalala lohlala kuyo yintsini yamathambo iyakhona usibuke uthi vela bona khabela kwethu zihlobo zami into esenzakalisayo kabashuri bepulpit ashuri bepulpit nomthika ngoba ikhantlo
Sibethelwani
abanye bakhathe iplani zepasika
hayi
ubona uma ndingayithatha ngosuku ngidala ngoba ijuku inomkisapha inoba ngicawuse usile umongameli wayebebuye owenza iplani yesithi kukho abayanga abangasebenzayo ngaphambi kwekamere abafika bayosebenzisa ikamere
hayi
ukongele jobs angimthika bamthe ayifuna umntana womqoqo uyafanela kumthika ngawungawumlini olokachiko abayikhathileyo bakhathisa wathiso uma ngathunya kwe-society afikathi ndingovuka ndimubona isaye ukhathisa wathi yithinda lemithi velamoya
hayi bhuti
umsebenzi wenu ayikokuvusa abantu abafileyo umsebenzi wenu is to preach. When you preach, God will act. And the complex into it. You are speaking. And you still have a present. You know, I would have a sense of a chance say, Lord, you are. You know, you told Islam. The Pagana Sokumitabe, Hamitakokwet. And when you preach, what is Veramoya, Hamitakokwet. What is Goyana? What is Goyana?